In this video, you will learn how to reset your tecla-e to clear all of your tecla-e Bluetooth connections. Keep in mind that as soon as you clear the connections, tecla-e won't be able to connect to any Bluetooth device until you pair it with a device. Slide and hold the three-way power switch to the left position indicated as a gear for 20 seconds. Ignore the pairing tone at 3 seconds and then at 7 seconds. After 20 seconds, tecla-e's status light will flash red 3 times and play a downwards tritone to let you know that it has been reset. The status light will go back to blue. On the devices that the tecla-e has been previously connected to, go to the Bluetooth settings and forget tecla-e from each device. After doing this, turn off Bluetooth on all of your devices. Turn on tecla-e by moving the three-way power switch to the middle position. The tecla-e indicator light will go on and a sound will play indicating that it is ready. To learn more, visit gettecla.com.